Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about the brand new 2 checking accounts that just came out that has actually taken the internet by storm. And that is the new Discover, what is it called? The Discover Cashback debit card. It's a checking account that they just came out with. And of course, T-Mobile Money, right? Now you're probably thinking like, Cal, I already got checking accounts and things of that sort. Well, listen, this video may or may not be for you. The reason why I bring that up is because there's a lot of people who have been just shunned by the banks and because of check systems and things of that sort. And I'm gonna be honest, some of these banks have not yet said that they're checking check systems. With the T-Mobile Money, if you have an account with them, which by the way, you do not have to be a T-Mobile customer to get this checking account with them. But if you do, the approval is almost instant. You know, so this would be great because you can set up direct deposit, and they have over 55,000 ATMs nationwide. You know, and majority of them at Walgreens, at CVS, and they're for free, no charge to use those ATMs. All right. So now I don't know if that's going to be a two-way charge, right? Because you sometimes have where the ATM may charge you, but the actual T-Mobile bank, well, T-Mobile Money, I should say, which is partnered with BankMobile, by the way, and they won't charge you for using that particular ATM. And they also give you checks as well too. So they're not trying to replace what you already have, but I think it's a great segue if you're already using, let's say, if you're trying to make a transition from a prepaid debit card, right? Those Rush cards, those Green Dot cards, we know what those are, right? And you're trying to make a transition to now that into a checking account, it's a great thing. And they give you a debit card. Now, for those who don't know, Cash App just came out with a debit, not just came out with a debit card, but they've had a debit card for quite some time as well. But in short, they've all been doing that same thing throughout this entire process, and that makes it pretty cool, all right? Then you have the Discover Cashback checking account. That's, man, like this is huge because they're giving you cash back on all of your purchases up to $3,000 per month. So you're getting cash back just for having a debit card with them. Now, Discover has been pushing cash back, especially on their credit cards and things of that sort, for a very long time. Of course, they have the credit cards that have been going out, that's been out for a long time. And then you also had the Discover personal loans, okay? The only thing about Discover, though, is that a lot of places don't take Discover. I won't say a lot, but you know, some places don't take Discover. But I mean, for the most part, everybody's pretty much going to take it. But I think it's pretty cool because if you had a situation where, let's say, check systems, you could apply for both of these, okay? And the greatest thing about it is that from what I've heard, T-Mobile's not checking for check systems as of yet. If things change, we don't know. But if you are a T-Mobile customer, that may make the approval process a little bit easier. As they say, it's instant, okay? I know with T-Mobile, in order for you to go ahead and get the account started, you must open the account with $200. And of course, who doesn't have $200? You know, so you just get a deposit or something like that. And I also think even if you have checking accounts already, this may be a great segue if you have, let's say, a side hustle, a small business, something that you're kind of doing on the side, or Uber or something like that, where all your money's not being mixed up. Because, of course, we just got out of tax season, right? And it just makes things a lot easier when you can just log into one thing because you know what things are going in there versus, hey, let me borrow $20 and this is coming out of this account. You got all these bills coming out of this account. You don't have a savings. You know, just little things like that. And again, a lot of these places are now starting to step up. I'm sure Amazon and Walmart are going to be taking a major shift towards that market. We know Walmart is already doing the Walmart money, for those who don't know, where you could literally have $100 and then somebody wants to go get that money. This is if they don't have Cash App, but they feel more comfortable going to a Walmart, and that's the Walmart to Walmart money. And so that's been out for a while. They've been trying to come out with banking for quite some time, but the regulators, the government won't let them do it because that would be like almost monopolizing the system. When you're getting so big, they won't let you do certain things at a certain pace. Same thing with Amazon. I know they're working on some things too, but this is major in the marketplace. You're probably like, what does this have to do with credit? Well, some of you all are in check systems, so let's go ahead and take advantage of these new platforms that are out there. Also, T-Mobile Money gives you 4% APY, so that's annual percentage yield. Don't worry, I don't know too much about it. All I know is that for having a checking account, having money inside the account, they're pretty much going to be adding interest. For most of you have a checking account, then they're more than likely giving you interest on it, but it's like pennies on the dollar probably. But with T-Mobile, they're going to be giving you a little bit more than the average bank is normally giving you. So that's very, of course, that's very attractive if you're, all about the numbers. If you like this video, like it. You want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.